How to back up your SMS and previous call logs using SMS Backup and Restore application. Very easy and simple. Let's see how amazing it is.
Good day guys, welcome to Genius Text channel. In today's video, I will be educating you guys on how to back up your text messages and your previous call logs from your old phones into your new phone. And in doing this, we'll be using a particular application. It's an Android application called SMS Backup and Restore. So let's go and see how the process will look like. It is very easy. All you have to do is stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our step-to-step guide, and you get this fixed. Okay, first of all, what you have to do is that you have to get a separate phone. Outside the phone, the old phones and the new phone, you have to have another separate phone whereby you can connect an hotspot. Like you can see right now, I've connected an hotspot from a different phone into these two phones. Now this is the old phone and this is the new phone. Now what we'll be doing when you have connected your hotspots to the both phones, the next thing we'll do is for we to locate the application. This is how the application looks like: SMS Backup and Restore. Now this is the old phone and this is the new phone. So what I will be doing is that I will be downloading that application on my Play Store. Like if you go to the Play Store, just type SMS Backup and Restore and you'll see the application. You'll see a lot of applications with that very name, but download the one that has this particular logo. Anyone that has this particular logo is the one I'm using. It's very easy and very fast. So all you have to do, go to your Play Store, or you can download it through Chrome on your browser. Go to your Play Store and click on Install. It will download the application and install it automatic. So let's be patient till the application is installed. Now it's already installed because I have a very fast network. Now all you have to do is open the application. Now look at it now. The application is up. So all we have to do, just follow the screen guide. Just get started. Allow. Now it's indicating that we have just 3 text messages on this new phone, which is coming from the text messages is coming from the network provider, and we have no call log as it is. So you can also see it here. There is no previous calls on this phone. You can also see the text messages. There is no previous text messages on this phone, as you can see. So all we have to do is to go straight to that application called SMS Backup and Restore. Now you click on these 3 dots that you're seeing here. Then click on this your old phone. Now you enter the boot transfer. Enter transfer. Now this is how the next stage will look like. Now as you can see, they are asking you to turn on the location of the both phones. Now that reminds me, you must make sure that the location on these both phones is being turned on before it will allow you to do what you want to do. If you didn't turn it on, the process will not be smooth. So all you have to do when you have turned on the location, the next thing is to do is that this is the old phone and this is the new phone. So we are sending from this phone and we are receiving from this phone. So all we have to do is that we click on send from the old phone, we click on receive from the new phone. Just allow. Now as you can see, this old phone is searching the new phone, which is Redmi Note 12. Now look at it. It will prompt for you to accept from Oppo A15s. Okay, accept. Now you can see accept and restore. Now on this old phone, you click on transfer and you watch how the process will go. Very easy, very smooth. It's one of the best apps so far I've discovered. I've been using it on my clients' phones and it's working and it's very fast. You will not lose any of your previous text messages from your old phones and your previous calls. So all you have to do, just click on OK. Now on this very point, this very stage, this is the application we are using to restore the text messages, and this is the default the current default application for text messages. Now we are going to make this application, this SMS backup and restore application, as a default first, since we are about restoring text messages from the old phone into this new phone. So set as default. It will now transfer first of all your previous call logs into your phone, and after when this call log is done, it will transfer your text messages. So guys, this is the most easiest method you can use to back up your SMS from your old phones into your new phones. So just stay tuned and be patient till the process is done. Let's be patient. The call log is almost done. After this, the text message is actually going 217 text messages. You can see how fast it is. It's one of the amazing app, very reliable, very easy to use. All you have to do, just follow the guide. As you can see, it's done transferring. You can see it's done transferring. So all you have to do is go back to your dial call app. You see your recent calls. You can see all the calls. You can see all the calls, the previous calls I was having on this old phone. This is the previous calls I was having on this phone. You can see it has been transferred here. Let's also check the text messages. Now you can see, remember we use that SMS backup and restore app as our default storage, as our default SMS application. So at this point in time, if you enter your main text messages, they will be asking you to use your current SMS app as a default. So you just click on set it as default back. It will now show you all the text messages on the phone. So as you can see, all the text messages are back. All the text messages on the phone has been transferred. So it's very easy, it's very simple. Thanks. Keep watching, keep subscribing to our YouTube channel, like, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.